Kiamberia Vincent Kirimi obishikene muno mitandaoni tasupu omioro ntukuyo mundi na kinyithitwe nthingo nishia koti ya maua gucokia nthitango cia kuringithaniwa na kura kwa David Bernard obishikene muno ta sniper supu na kanite nthitango ino na kurekererwa na mugana wa mbesha ngiri 20 baribari iromba ria kuthina mbere kumurigiria kwa borishi gwa ntuku 21 nireregeretwe ni mugambithania Elizabeth Cheson wathite supu ekinyekire obisi cia borisi mandikiri ontuku 14 igamba riri rigathikirwa rikagwetwa kairi tariki 5 mweri ututhiite. Marion Karugi atwambiririe na ino.
Toyo twakari oamwe na atongeria twakuromba thwanirwa barabethiritwo bakiringanithwa na kura kwa laingo ya mitandao Bernard Sniper wikirwa mpene nikienda utetherio Sonkoni nituonanite riu uciara matunda. Ani nyuma ya muthaka ukumenyekana ya Vincent Murethi uyikene ya supu mioro ukinyithwa ntuko ya narua kotini ya maua mbere ya mugambithania Cheson Hamali ari muthwanirwa ura ukuringanithwa na kura kwa Sniper nawe waurire kuma tariki 2 mweri uyu wa Disemba na nyumene mwiri jwawe yuririkana ni yonekanite ntere cia Marimanti kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi. Kinya nyuma ya mabisa ba Sonkoni kana DCI kuromba muthwanirwa uyu cokwe rumande kwa ntuku 14 Sonkoni bwita na mbere kubwithwa koti nireanite na ntubu na kumulukia na cash mbili ya mbecha ngiri 20 na kurua aikinyitha ciekire obisi cia DCI mau antuko cionthe mwanka ciumia biele bithire.
Presently the application before court fails to demonstrate what effect the continued detention of the respondent will serve, as there isn't even a holding charge presented to the court to consider or for the respondent to plead to. As such, I am inclined to agree with the respondent's advocates that he is a person of interest who can be compelled to cooperate with the investigation, which he has done, and the same has not been denied by the prosecution. Has not been denied by the prosecution, so he can be compelled to continue cooperating without the need for his continued detention. The constitutional rights and freedom from unlawful detention, as well as the right to fair trial under Articles 49 and 50, are paramount and can only be limited in exceptional circumstances, which the present application fails to demonstrate. The respondent can easily be traced being a student within the Republic of Kenya, and he has demonstrated cooperation with the ongoing investigation. Not demonstrated if his continued detention can hasten the processes at the government chemist, nor has it been demonstrated that key witnesses have been threatened or hampered in any way by the respondent to warrant his continued detention. As such, the application to detain the accused for a period of 14 days is denied. Instead, the accused is admitted to cash bail of Kenya shillings 20,000 with contact person. In addition, the respondent, not the accused, the respondent is admitted to cash bail of Kenya shillings 20,000 with contact person. In addition, he is to report to DCI Gembe South every 2 weeks until the conclusion of the investigation.
Iambare rikawetwa ringi Januari tariki 5 mwaka wa 2024.
There will be a mention on 5th of January 2024.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma kotini ya maua Igembe South, Beta wa Marion Karugi wa Kenywa.